In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find XRP wallet address on Coinbase 2025. Deposit crypto on Coinbase. First, open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone, give it a moment to load, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything updates correctly. If you haven't used the app in a while, you might be prompted to update it. Doing that now helps avoid any display or security issues. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your password, biometrics, or a code sent to your device. If you see any security prompts, complete them so you're fully signed in and ready to access your assets. Now, we're going to look up XRP, but I'll demonstrate the flow using Ethereum as a sample since the steps are identical. Tap the search icon at the top of the app and type the asset name. You can search for XRP or ETH. The process you're about to see for Ethereum will be the same when you repeat it for XRP. Don't worry, the receive flow and the screen layout follow the same pattern across supported assets. What you're really learning here is where Coinbase puts the receive button and how it shows your deposit details. When you see the asset in the search results, tap on it to open its asset page. This page shows your balance, recent activity, and most importantly for today, the controls for moving funds. Tap Receive. This is the button that reveals the address you give to others or to another exchange or wallet when you want to deposit that asset into your Coinbase wallet. If a prompt appears with security tips or a brief explanation, tap Got it. These pop-ups are there to remind you not to send the wrong asset to the wrong network and to verify details before you transfer. You'll now see the deposit screen with your address and usually a QR code. For Ethereum, it's a single address you can copy or share. For XRP, you'll see an address and, in many cases, a destination tag or memo. That tag is essential for XRP deposits to route properly. Always include both the address and the tag exactly as shown. Before sending any funds, double check that you're sending the correct asset on the correct network. If you're moving crypto from another app or exchange, paste this address carefully, compare the first and last few characters, and consider starting with a small test amount. Network mismatches or missing tags can cause delays or loss of funds, so take a moment to verify. That's it. Open the app, log in, search the asset, tap it, choose receive, acknowledge the prompt, and your address is right there ready to use.